Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
One of the critical issues which was examined by the State Commission was as to whether there was any delay in payment of installment by the LOT upon demand being made. Stop. This question arose as the builder had denied certain benefits to the appellant which would have accrued to him if timely payment of installments was made on demand. Stop. The builder alleged that the demand in this case was made requiring the LOT to make payment by factoring in certain holidays which intervened. Stop. The State Commission examined this issue and gave a finding on fact that the material on record did not establish that the demand notice was served on any adult family member, known person of the LOT, and that the developer had failed to prove service of demand notice upon the LOT. Stop. The State Commission thus held that the LOT could not be deprived of the benefits outlined in the builder's letter of in view of aforementioned discussions. First appeal number 1530 of 2019 is partly allowed. Stop. DLF Home Developers Limited, the builder is directed to offer possession of the apartment in dispute to the complainant afresh and hand over possession to the complainant within 6 weeks and execute the sale conveyance deed in his name within 1 month thereafter on payment of stamp duty, registration charges and other incidental legal charges, compensation for delay in possession, that is interest at the rate rupees 6% per annum on the sale price deposited by him for the delayed period from July 2013 till the date of fresh offer of possession, adjusting early payment rebate mentioned in statement of account and pay timely payment rebate, that is 10% of basic sale price. Stop. Heard petitioner in person. Stop. Issue notice limited to the question of maintenance charges as provided for in the concluding part of the order impugned. Stop. Notice may be made returnable in 4 weeks. Stop. Thus the service in addition to order in process permitted. Stop. In the appeal filed by the builder at the stage of issue of notice on the petition for special leave to appeal, it was recorded in our order that the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, that is the builder, essentially confined his submissions to the grievance of the petitioner developer in regard to the directions by the National Commission and who shall be responsible for providing the maintenance services within the said building, said complex, and who shall be entitled to collect the maintenance charges. Stop.